What's up, guys? Well, I went and got me some gas. It is freezing cold out here. I ordered some jets last night for this thing because she's four-stroking pretty bad. So I'm going to have to wait for them jets to come in. But I figured I'd give you a little taste and see if y'all like the way she sounds now that she has gas in it and I know how to work the daggone carburetor choke. Give me just a second and we'll fire it up.